Hi there! In this AIBot Studio review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you create AI-powered chatbots for your business using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab AIBot Studio through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is AIBot Studio? AIBot Studio is a cloud-based platform that lets you build powerful chatbots without needing to know any coding. It's designed for anyone who wants to create bots for platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and more, all within a few clicks. What's cool about this software? You don't need to hire expensive developers or spend hours learning how to code. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you, and you get to customize the bots to fit your needs. What's cool about AIBot Studio? Now, I want to be honest. This isn't some magic tool that's going to make you rich overnight. AIBot Studio provides the tools and training you need to build your own automated system, but you'll still need to put in the effort to make it work and optimize it. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Easy chatbot creation. Build bots in just a few steps. Choose a template, customize it, and you're good to go. Multiple platform integration. Create bots for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and start automating your business across all these platforms. Real-time preview. Test your bots live and tweak them in real time before going live. Unlimited bot creation with the upgrade. If you want to go big, you can create as many bots as you need without any limitations. Workshop training. The AIBot Studio. Workshop will help you become an expert in building bots, taking you through everything you need to know. And here's the best part. No coding skills required. Just follow the step-by-step training and you'll have your bots up and running in no time. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Log in and start a new project in the dashboard. Step 2. Choose a bot template and customize it. Add your own logos, change colors, etc. Step 3. Deploy your bot to Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram and start automating your customer interactions. It's that easy. And there's no technical stuff to worry about, so you can focus on growing your business.
I got it. Check this out right here. The chatbot inside of Instagram, right? How do I book an appointment? Boom. I'm going to go ahead and submit. And let's see what we got. Come on, Square Salon, tell me something. There it is right there. It even gives us a URL. Eager to add some sparkle to your hair routine? Booking an appointment with us is as easy as brush through luxurious locks. You can secure your spot by giving us a ring at this number or visiting our website. Not only do I got it on Instagram, but check this out. If I come over here to Messenger, what is the price of a men's cut? Let's go ahead and hit return. Let's see what Messenger is going to give me. Come on, baby. What do we got? Don't leave me hanging. What do we got here? There it is. The price for a men's cut at our salon is $40 and up. Treat yourself to a stylish haircut that will leave you looking sharp and feeling confident. Need to make an appointment? Visit our website. And that's not all. What if I told you we also got it over here on WhatsApp? I'm going to go ahead and hit return. What are your hours? And I have a feeling that WhatsApp's going to tell me Monday through Friday with Sunday closed. And what do we got here? Look at this. At Square Salon, we dance through the week with these fantastic hours to ensure your hair journey is nothing short of fabulous. Monday through Friday, Saturday 8 a.m., 7 p.m., and Sunday closed. Hi there, my name is Chad Nicely, having some fun with AI chatbots, almost killing myself in the process and completely out of breath after doing that 100 different times. But look, this right here, this is nothing to laugh about. There's a lot of power and opportunity with these incredible AI chatbots. And it's true that we have figured out how to deploy the AI chatbots to all the Meta properties. I'm talking about Messenger, Instagram, as well as WhatsApp. And it really is one simple click. Nothing confusing, nothing overwhelming, no complicated software. It is very, very easy. I'm going to demonstrate that to you here in a minute, but it gets even better than that, because what if I told you this incredible app that is actually Meta approved, we're also able to go out there and build these little powered chatbots in about 2 minutes or less, and deploy them to the Meta properties. Now, I know you might be thinking, no, that can't happen. There's no freaking way that you can go out there and build a chatbot like that, or that anybody could build a chatbot that fast. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna head over to my computer and I'm gonna prove to you that this can be done. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk about the opportunity of a lifetime, because look, AI is where it's at for 2025. Right? It's time for you to pay attention, and these simple little chatbots that you're going to be able to crank out in 2 minutes or less are exactly the opportunity of a lifetime. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so here we go. I'm at my desk and we're going to build out the chatbot. Now I'm going to build out the same exact chatbot that I just demonstrated here on the phone with the Meta properties, okay? Because I want you to see how easy and how fast it is to build this out, all right? Now, the first thing I want to point out is that specific chatbot was built off of this web page right here. So all we have to do is feed our chatbot a simple URL, right? And you can notice right here on the page where it says services, there's a list of services and there's a price. Remember, I asked the chatbot, I think it was Instagram, right? How much was it for a men's haircut? And it said $40. That's how it knew, right? The chatbot learned. Then I said, how do I make an appointment? Well, look, there's a button right there, request to make an appointment. That's how it learned. And then it knew about the hours, and then it knew about the location. Like, it knows everything because it can learn from this website. One simple URL is all you have to have. Now, we can also load files. We can do Q&As. We can just go ahead and paste in a bunch of details. The chatbot is smart enough to learn how to do all of this stuff, right? It'll learn everything about what it is you're feeding it, right? Feed the monster, okay? 2 minutes to set up the chatbot. Then I'm going to go deploy it on the properties. And then I got an extra bonus for you. I'm going to show you what our chatbot looks like on the actual phone. I'm not talking about the Meta properties. I'm talking about our actual chatbot. And I'm also going to show you how you have a public URL for your chatbot. All of that is in addition to what I showed you with the Meta properties. Pretty exciting, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to head on over here to the software. I'm going to go ahead and put the timer up on the screen. There we go, right there. And then all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click this button in under 2 minutes. Ready, set, go. All right, so I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna click this button. Here is the name of my bot. It's gonna be Square Salon. Here is the description, the bot for Square Salon, Nevada. I click Save Changes. Here is the actual template. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click Edit Chatbot. And from here, as soon as it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my headline. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the description that you saw. And notice it's updating over here on the side. For the greeting, I'm gonna go ahead and say, hello there, ... And we're gonna go ahead and click Save Settings. All right, now that we've done that, we're gonna come over here, we're gonna choose our expert. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose my AI account. You can choose our admin account. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the hairstylist front desk agent. I'm gonna go ahead and click Save Settings. Now from here, we're gonna come over to the quick buttons. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those on. And there's button number 1, which is the hours. Look at it over here on the right-hand side. Here's button number 2, which is make appointment. Here's button number 3, which is the prices. There they are right there. Click the save settings. And now we're gonna come over here to the actual training. I'm gonna click on website and I'm gonna go ahead and type in squaresalon.com, save settings. Now that's been trained. And now I'm gonna come over here to this paint bucket and we're gonna go ahead and load our logo. Here's our main logo. Watch over here on the right-hand side. Okay, here's the main logo. How's our time? 1:30. Okay, there's the first one. Let's go ahead and do this one. Come on now. Here's this guy. And let's go ahead and do this guy. And save settings. Actually, let's go ahead and change the color too. We'll change it to black. And we'll click Save Settings. Look at this over here and stop the clock. Look at that right there. 1:50. And look at how beautiful this chatbot is. I did that in 1 minute and 50 seconds. And believe it or not, this chatbot's already ready to go. So I would ask you, there's no reason at all why you can't do this, right? Okay, so now, before we take a look at how this incredible bot looks, let's go deploy it on Meta, right? Let's go put it on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. All right, so we come over here, we click on the Meta settings, and we're gonna go ahead and click Connect WhatsApp. It's gonna open up over here on the other window. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it over, and here is the authorization, continue as me. Go through the steps. And we'll click Finish. And now you see WhatsApp has been connected. Let's do the same with Messenger. I'll go ahead and click the button to continue. And I'll go ahead and choose a page, which is this one right here. I'll click Continue, Continue, Save. And now you see the Messenger is connected. And let's do the same thing with Instagram. Click the button, click Allow. And now you see that Instagram has been connected. So there you go. It took about a minute, minute and a half. WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram are all connected to your bot. So now here's the bonus, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bot URL here. And I'm gonna go ahead and click this button that says chat with us. And look at this here. Look at this chat bot here, guys. Look at, we got hours, we got make appointment, we got prices. And I'm gonna say, hi there. And let's see what happens. Look at this, good day, ready to snip into something new? How can I assist you today in the world of fabulous hair adventures? Look at this, your bot is already created, okay? Now, in addition to that, let me show you something else. I'm gonna go ahead and take this URL here before we change it, and I'm gonna open this up on my phone. Look how beautiful this chat widget looks on the phone, right? Nice, beautiful, clean, responsive design. And if I were to come down here, here's our quick buttons, right? If I just go ahead and click Make Appointment, you're gonna see how fast this chatbot actually responds in real time. Look at this, and it's got the link here, knock knock, who's there? Like, look at the personality in this thing, right? Like, this is absolutely incredible. And we were able to create this chatbot in 1 minute and 56 seconds. And on top of that, we deployed it over to all the Meta properties, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Are you kidding me? I'll see you in the next room. All right, so there we go. Pretty awesome, right? So 1 minute and 56 seconds. Can you believe that? We went out there and created the chatbot, did all of the branding, set up the quick buttons, assigned the expert, deployed it to Meta, right? And the initial chatbot, 1 minute and 56 seconds. That's absolutely crazy, the abilities that you have with this platform. Now, I would ask you, do you believe that you can do the same thing? Because I believe you absolutely can. Matter of fact, I am 100% committed to making sure that you're able to go out there and set up your first chatbot, and you're able to deploy it to the Meta properties. So once you log into AIBotStudio, there are simple step-by-step instructions where I go right to the point, show you exactly what you need to do, and then there's an incredible community that's there supporting you and making sure that you reach the finish line. So if you scroll through the rest of this page, you'll see all these testimonials down below where people are talking about how they created their chatbot in 10 minutes and 7 minutes, and I don't think anybody beat me in 1 minute 56. I challenge you. But they're deploying it to Facebook and into Instagram and WhatsApp and everything. So there's no reason at all why you can't do that, right? And it's just, there's so many incredible opportunities out there because the world is tuned into AI right now. I'm sure you've been noticing it is moving fast, and this software right here is your key to so many incredible opportunities. And I can't even begin to think about all the different things that you can do with this software because we built it for ourselves as well, and we use it every single day, and it's going to continue to evolve. It's going to continue to grow. And I'm here to tell you that this is just the right decision. And today you can get in at this very special launch price. So if you scroll through the rest of this page, check out everything that's going on with AIBotStudio. Look at all the testimonials, all the reviews. Like, just check out everything on this page and then lock in the special one-time price before it goes to a monthly price. And all of our software always increases in price, and it always goes to a monthly price. So you want to get in while you can at this substantial savings. And remember, you're backed by 100% money back guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose. Okay, and I am super, super excited to start building the bots with you and show you everything that you can do with the bot and everything that you can do inside of our world. And I'm telling you right now, it's going to be a great decision for you. Okay, so again, this is Chad Nicely. Thank you so much for entertaining and watching this video here and just putting up with me and having some fun. And I really hope that you choose to embark on this journey and we go out there and crush it with your chatbots. I'll see you inside of AIBotStudio. Click the button down below.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product, AIBotStudio Workshop. The $17 bump offer gives you an exclusive workshop to help you build and optimize bots even faster. Unlimited bots and IG automation. The first OTO at $297 lets you create unlimited bots and even automate your Instagram account so you can scale your business without limits. Platinum offer. The second OTO at $997 includes everything, with even more advanced features for power users and agencies. This is for people serious about scaling their chatbot business and getting premium support. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. No need to buy everything if it doesn't fit your needs. What I like and what stands out to me about AIBotStudio. Here's what I really like about AIBotStudio. No coding required. You don't need a technical background to use this. Multiple revenue streams. You can sell your bots, use them as lead magnets, or give them away as bonuses to attract customers. The training. The workshop and step-by-step guides are incredibly helpful if you're new to chatbots. AIBotStudio is perfect if you want to start automating your customer service, boosting your sales, or even using bots as bonuses in affiliate marketing. What could be improved? While AIBotStudio is great for beginners and non-techies, if you're looking to build very advanced or custom bots, it might not replace a professional developer. But for most people who want to create solid, functional chatbots without the headache of coding, this tool is perfect. If you're looking for an affordable, easy way to get into the chatbot game, AIBotStudio is definitely worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my AIBotStudio review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.